Well, Sobha delivered a robust operational performance as per the data uploaded onto the exchanges by the company. The total sales value that was declared by the company, despite being impacted by wave 2 of the pandemic, the total sales value came in at close to 683 crore versus 488 crore on a year-on-year basis. When you're talking about the average price realization, it came in at close to 7,626 rupees per square feet versus 7,498 rupees per square feet. The new sales in terms of square feet came in at 8.95 lakh square feet versus 6.5 lakh square feet, again on a year-on-year basis. The company, in fact, in its press release has mentioned that the sector has been showing encouraging signs of structural revival. It also saying that the impact of the second wave was sudden, severe, prolonged and quite visible as far as the major metro cities was concerned. Also saying that going forward, organized players in the real estate sector will become more significant, and in fact, they are saying going forward, they're still quite unsure of the likely impact caused by the second wave of the pandemic. In fact, what Sobha is saying is that going forward, there are multiple triggers for the entire real estate space in terms of the work from home impact, which has driven the need for larger homes. Also, given the fact that a lot of people are now preferring to buy homes, they believe that this is something that is the start of a trend shift in terms of a structural revival as far as the real estate space is concerned. In fact, some of the key highlights include the company managed to achieve a total sales volume of 8.95 lakh square feet of super built up area. The sales volume went up 38% on a year-on-year basis. Sales value went up almost 40% on a year-on-year basis. The Sobha share of the sales value in its JVs went up almost 45% on a year-on-year basis. And when you're talking about the total average price realization, very healthy, up 2% on a year-on-year basis. Jefferies has written a note on the operational update provided by Sobha. They're saying that it is a strong performance by the company considering that it was a record base as well as the company faced a high impact of the second COVID wave. The performance was good across all major cities, driving volumes higher by 38% on a year-on-year basis. They are saying that going forward, it is going to be important to monitor progress as far as the 13 million square feet launch pipeline that the company has given, and this is something that will remain important as far as sales growth is concerned. They are also saying that the company needs to achieve a 5% sales growth over the next 3 quarters in order to achieve a double-digit sales growth. So the entire real estate space, especially large listed developers, will remain in focus on back of encouraging data points that has been given out by Sobha.